So good day everyone, welcome back to today's class where we are going to be looking at study session 2 titled computer hardware. The learning outcomes of this study session is to learn the fundamentals of computer hardware and its components. You should be able to determine the roles of the central processing unit, CPU, RAM, and storage devices. Also explain the distinctions between input, output, and processing devices. And you should be able to also understand the significance of hardware maintenance and troubleshooting. So introduction, the section will delve into the intricacies of computer hardware, which include CPUs, memory, storage, motherboards, and input-output devices. Understanding these components will be crucial, for troubleshooting issues related to computers, thereby improving performance and maximizing technology's potential. Overview and components of computer hardware. So computer hardware actually comprises of those components or devices that we can see and touch. So they are physical in nature. Some of these devices can include central processing unit CPU, the RAM or the main memory, input output devices, storage devices, processing devices. They tend to work together to perform various functions in a computer system. The CPU, the CPU, which stands for Central Processing Unit, that actually acts as the brain of computers, is the primary component that performs all the processing activities or operations in a computer system. So it consists of what is referred to as the arithmetic and logic unit, and also the control unit. The arithmetic and logic unit is further divided into the arithmetic unit circuitry and also the control or the logical unit circuitry. The arithmetic circuitry takes care of computations, the arithmetic part, while the logical unit performs logical functions. And then the control unit offers control to the arithmetic and logic unit. Also associated with the CPU is that the CPU speed and performance actually depend on factors like the clock speed, which is measured in hertz, and also the cache size. The cache is actually a kind of memory that is in between the central processing unit and then the main memory or the RAM, and also the core numbers or the number of cores as a factor. RAM. The RAM, just like we earlier said, stands for random access memory, is actually a volatile component in the computer systems, that stores data and instructions for CPU quick access. So having a large amount of RAM in a system or in a computer actually improves performance and faster running of programs. So primary memory types can take in the form of static, dynamic, synchronous, in the form of double data rate, and also non-volatile. Storage devices. A storage device is a hardware component in a computer system that stores and retrieves digital data available in various capacities like hard disk drive, HDDs, solid state drives, USB flash drives, memory cards, and network attached storage. Output devices. Output devices such as monitors, printers, speakers, projectors, and the likes are essential peripherals in computer systems that present process data in human readable form. Processing devices. Processing devices such as the CPU that we earlier mentioned graphic processing unit, digital signal processor, field programmable gate arrays, and application-specific integrated circuits. Vital component in a computer system that handle computational tasks, data flow, and executing instructions, ranging from single chips to complex network of circuits. Excuse me. Motherboard. A motherboard that is regarded as the main PCB, as a printed circuit board, is a component in a computer system, that enable other components to be connected to it. Uh, Components like processor, the memory, storage devices, and other peripheral components that consist of both input and output components. So it manages data and power flow. It also contains the basic input-output system, BIOS, and offers advanced features. Power supply unit. A power supply unit, PSU, is a critical component, again, in a computer system that has the function of converting alternating current, AC, power from a wall outlet to direct current, DC, for components like the motherboard, processor, memory, storage devices, and peripherals. Cooling system. A cooling unit in a computer system, such as CPU coolers, case fans, or liquid cooling systems, helps maintain a safe operating temperature by dissipating heat generated by components that is as a result of processing data or while in operations. The significance of hardware maintenance and troubleshooting. So, regular maintenance and troubleshooting of computer hardware are crucial for its longevity, reliability, efficiency, and safety. So these practices tend to, extend the hardware's lifespan, thereby optimizing for performance, prevention of data loss, and then reduce cost associated with, repairs and other resources. So it is vital to, incorporate the habit of preventive maintenance, you know, which is more economical than corrective maintenance or reactive repairs, thereby help minimizing downtime. So, in summary, this study session look at hardware devices with emphasis in the importance of hardware maintenance and troubleshooting. So we also emphasize the need to understand and troubleshoot faults involving components such as CPU, RAM, storage devices, and other peripherals. So self-assessment questions for study session 2. SAQ 2.1, identify the primary function of the central processing unit, CPU, in a computer system. SAQ 2.2, name 3 common types of storage devices used in modern computers. SAQ 2.3, identify 3 common input devices used in computer systems. SAQ 2.4, explain the function of the motherboard in a computer system. Thank you and see you in the next class.